Hey everyone, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. I am here to give you some knowledge about Independence Day. Let's start. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pangs of anguish of being enslaved under a colonial rule. For every Indian in those days, it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. The idea of being a independent nation where sovereign power lies with us to determine our future places a huge responsibility on our shoulders. The significance of its beautiful story is that this nation gained respect from the world for the democratic route chosen by it. We can proudly say that India has never invaded any country in its 10,000 years of history. On this occasion, our thoughts turn first to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind our struggle for freedom and the martyrs who made the supreme sacrifice for our country's liberty. We are also reminded of relentless struggle of our great patriots who liberated our motherland from colonial rule. Gandhiji was seeking liberty from both foreign rule and the indigenous social chains that had long inculcated our society. Every other Indian guided on the path of self belief and hope for a better future. Democracy gives us the right to live freely as proud citizens of country. Today we all are fortunate to live in one due to the vision and sacrifice of our freedom fighters. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Rajpath, where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Also, a salute is given to the national flag by firing 21 guns with national anthem, and flowers are also showered via helicopter. All the forces takes a part in parades. In the end, we cannot merely say that 15th August is solely about freedom. This day is a plethora of emotions. It reminds us the pain of being enslaved, of strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence. And of all the things, it makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. It's our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. In the end, I want to say a poem. तीन रंग का नहीं वस्त्र, ये ध्वज देश की शान है, हम भारतीय के दिल का यही तो स्वाभिमान है, यही गंगा यही हिमालय यही हिंद की जान है, तीन रंगों में रंगा हुआ ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है. थैंक यू एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे.